you, welcome to my channel today, and welcome back if you are not new, and if you are an OG. Today I just decided to talk to you guys on the camera for a little bit because I did a little bit of spring shopping for my bedroom. It's very little, very minimal, but I did want to change up from the warm colors of the grays and the blues in here to a little bit more springy colors. So I'm gonna share with you my little bitty haul that I have, and then I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean this. Well, I'm not gonna like deep clean the bedroom because like I've said in my previous spring video, I really clean throughout the whole year. If I see it dirty, I deep clean it, windows, sills, blinds, things like that. So I don't really have that much to do, but I'm just gonna do a little spring clean in here, and then decorate a little bit more with my spring items. So let me show you what I have. This is the first thing. It's a linen and room spray, and it's like lemon blossom, and it smells like a whole lemon orchard. Like, I've never been in one, but I'm sure this is what it would smell like. And I got it from Home Goods, and it was $5.99. So I'm excited to spray that all over my bedding. And then look at how pretty this throw is, and it's super soft. I'm gonna wash it, but you know how sometimes you get really anxious about decorating, you forget to wash. So I'm gonna wash it later, but I'm gonna decorate first. I got this at Burlington, is it Burlington? Yeah, Burlington's, and it was only $12.99. So it's super soft, and I'm really loving this teal color that's in here. So yay, all right. And then, these are the pillows that I'm gonna add to my bed. I got these at Burlington's too. They were for, where is the price tag? I don't really know, but I think they were like $30 for two of them. But I love this color, and I love that you got two, so it's like $15 a pillow, so yay. And I got this candle. I always have to get candles when I decorate. It's called Water Hyacinth, okay? Not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Here, y'all look at it. But whatever that word is, it's a aromatherapy candle. But whatever that word is, it smells so good and fresh and light. It kind of smells like you're at a spa. So I am all for that. And last but not least, I got this pillow from Ross. It was $12.99, and I thought this would be cute too to add to the bedding. I love that it has the little texture in it, so that's gonna make the bed pop. And I'm also going to be changing out these pictures. Let me show you. Yeah, look at my room, it's a little mess right now. But I wanna take these pictures down and bring in a different picture. Let me show you. Okay, so I want to take this picture, don't mind the box, we just got something new. I want to take this picture down and put this one in the bedroom because I think it has a little bit more kind of tealish color in it versus the blue. So I'm gonna put the pictures from the bedroom in here. And here we go, welcome back. And just switch those out. So just to give me a different look, I love to buy things that coincide inside my house because you can just switch them out and move them out. But okay, I'm done talking. Now I'm gonna start cleaning.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know.
So whenever I am dusting my lampshades, I like to use a lint roller. It does really good at collecting all the dust, as you can see, because you really can't use any products on lampshades. So that's just another little idea that you guys can use to dust your lampshades. Even your headboard, I will be using it for my headboard today. Sometimes I vacuum it But the lint roller is just a quick, easy roll over, get all the dust, pet hair, whatever you may have that's flying around in the air. But now moving over to my husband's side, which is always a mess. Actually, his is usually better than mine. He just always has clothes and stuff like that all on the floor because he forgets where the hamper is. But I'm going to get this cleaned up and then we'll move on to the other side of the room.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
I don't know if you guys have noticed earlier, but I'm totally distracted looking at the TV. I am watching this show called Love is Blind. It is on Netflix. Let me know if you guys have watched this. I know that they are just now finishing up the season. Well, I'm going to finish it up today, which is Sunday, Easter Sunday. Oh, happy Easter, guys, if you guys celebrate that, by the way. But yeah, I'm totally distracted while I'm cleaning, trying to watch this last episode before the last part of the show comes up. They like split it up in 3 sections. They make you wait a week for each little section. I don't know, something Netflix does. But anywho, now I'm going to dust off my work area. It's usually pretty bad with snacks and a bunch of cups throughout the week, but I actually cleaned it off. So it's not that bad. I just need to go ahead and dust. And then I want to move this plant that was on my desk. I'm going to end up moving that to my nightstand because it gives me more room on my desk. And I wanted my nightstand to look a little springier versus just a picture frame. So that is what I'm going to be doing. There's Bambi, my little dog, just hanging out. And I did dust the keyboard to the floor because I will be vacuuming.
But if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do.
Alright guys, so this portion of the video is sponsored by LightBiz company. You can actually purchase these lights on Amazon. They are under counter lights. They are anywhere you want to put them lights. They are motion censored and it comes with a charger, so you don't have to worry about putting batteries in the lights. Once you charge them, the light does turn green, but as you can see, it's red right now because they need to be charged. And you can put this in your laundry room, a closet, just anywhere that you need extra light. And you just walk into a room and the light comes on. I've even thought about putting it in the hallway upstairs for when the girls come out of the room at night. Then it will light up the hallway. But as you can see, it is nighttime and now the lights are green. So I'm going to put them up. You just turn them on. It's magnetic. You stick the sticker magnet to the top of the cabinet and then it comes with a remote. You can do it for 10 seconds, 30 seconds. You can dim the light from 10%, 50% to 100%. It has so many different settings. You can even make the light brighter or less bright. You can make it stay on or you can make it just motion censored. So I really enjoy these lights and I will go ahead and leave the link below for you if you're needing to purchase it. You can get them off Amazon. They're a really good price, and be sure to check the description box below if you're interested. But now I'm gonna go ahead and change out these pictures. Do not follow my lead on how I hang stuff. I literally guess where the nail is supposed to go and it usually works out pretty good. So it did this time, so I was happy about that.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down.
I am now spraying the lemon linen spray on my linens, but then I decided what would happen if I sprayed on my carpet, if it would make it smell that much more lemony in my room. And guys, it really didn't make that much of a difference, but I did notice when I did get into bed later on that evening that it still smelled like lemon. So I recommend this lemon spray if you're at TJ Maxx or Burlington's and you see it, definitely pick it up. Like I said, I think it was only $6.99. Such a good price, and it's really a really big bottle, so I know it's going to last me for a while. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this room vacuumed, and then I will show you some after shots. But I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for being here. If you have enjoyed watching my channel, please put a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like what you see, and it keeps me coming back for more and keeps me motivated to keep doing what I love to do. So I appreciate you guys so much. And I ended up loving putting the picture in the bedroom over the bed. It did bring out more of the teal versus the blue. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if it looks springy for you, or what you guys are doing spring for your home, if you are going to add some different touches of spring. But thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
I leave the